Hi, I got X14 open and just drew a box here for reference. And you go to camera tools. Yeah, these camera tools. And like either this to this camera tool here, you left click and then it looks to infinity. And this one looks from where you left click only to where you then let go of the mouse, and that's all you see in the camera view that results. There's nothing there, but that's what this looks like. Then you can go over here to look for this icon right here. It's not, the tooltip's not coming up for some reason. Come on, open up. There we go. And here you can give it a name. I usually abbreviate things. Cross section 1. And you can go to plan display. In this dialog, this is a cross section elevation specification dialog for an actively open camera. Go to plan display, and here you can display as a call out on all floors. I rarely ever use some of those I use if it affects all floors. In this test model, but it is only one floor. And then you can get, okay, I'll get back to this. Give it a name, CS space 1. It can be large or small as you wish, depending on whether it's just like a wall elevation or a structural call out. And we'll go back to see, it creates an icon like that, which you're familiar with. Now, display options, I commonly turn off. I go down here to cameras labels. I turn that layer off because it's redundant. See, there's the name, there's the icon. Now, I'm going to open this back up again. That's kind of what you was showing in your photo that you posted. Now I'm going to go over to the plan display, and I can make it on the left side, right side, or both sides. That may be what you're talking about. See what that's what this does. And these are adjustable. You just click on the move handle. I think that's what you were asking about. Let's open the dialog. Go back to plan display. And when you have center, there's no little line. But I think if you go right side, there's your construction line. I'm going to open the dialog again. Go to plan display. Left, so you can do left side, right side, or both sides. Plan display, both sides. I've never used custom. I don't even know what that would do. You can play with that and find out for yourself. And then I'm going to close this is what it looks like with the big icons. I'm going to open that again and go to plan display. And this time I'll make it small. You know, whatever suits your style is what you should use. Well, I hope this helps you, and whether it did or not, have a great day. Thank you.